my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless.
Hello my friends, and welcome to my 5 a.m. productive morning routine as a stay-at-home mom of 2 little girls. I am so excited to start off this routine by just getting up, getting dressed, and getting right on into it. So I don't know about you, but I am extremely productive in the morning. The first thing I do, obviously I go pee, but after that I just grab my water, I head downstairs, and I get right on into my workout. So I started doing the Beachbody on demand a few months ago, and I am currently trying the Insanity workout. So let's go ahead and do that. So I wanted to slow this down so you could see real time. I obviously don't move as fast as in those clips. This Insanity workout is called Insanity for a reason, you guys. It is insane, but I love it. It kind of reminds me of CrossFit. So this is new to my morning routine, the workout as well as showering. I never used to shower first thing in the morning, but now that I'm doing the Insanity, I sweat so bad and I actually have to work out. So I'm gonna go do that before going ahead and getting dressed and getting my coffee for the day.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Sleepyhead. All right, let's go. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a morning routine, obviously, as you can tell from the title of the video. So I just got out of the shower. Miss Lily is awake. She's just kind of sitting here getting ready with me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead. I got my coffee, and this is when I usually take some time to get ready. So we're gonna go ahead and just do some very quick makeup.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame?
So I forgot to mention, but I do wash my face in the morning in the shower, and then I just go ahead and put on my face. I don't do a lot of makeup every single day anymore. Sometimes I'll feel like going all out, but more often than not, especially in the summer, I don't wear a lot of makeup. And so I'm just kind of going ahead and putting on a little bit of foundation and my brows, and that is kind of my base makeup. Usually both the girls are sleeping during this time, but as you saw, Lily woke up early, and so that did kind of throw my routine off a little bit as I didn't have time to edit. I usually take some time to edit in the morning as well, but you won't see that. So we're just sitting on the couch and having a snuggle.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for
is that?
Mama.
You see Mama?
This is sis.
You see Sis? I had to include that footage there in this video as I just thought it was so sweet, and really and truly is what makes being a stay-at-home mom the most precious thing ever. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you. But here is the smoothie. I will have the recipe linked below, and you'll notice I did actually forget to put spinach in it this day, so I just included a little clip there where you could see it. But now I'm going ahead and starting breakfast, and wait until you see what we have.
They passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause we're growing up, falling in love, giving your all.
So while breakfast is cooking, I start off by going ahead and unloading the dishwasher so that we can eat at the kitchen table uninterrupted.
Close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
I also forgot to share this, but I do put this stuff on my eggs as well, and it is so good. Maybe I'm super weird. I don't know. I used to put salsa on my eggs. Let me know if you put salsa or bruschetta on your eggs. I do prefer the bruschetta now. I just like love bruschetta and pico de gallo as well. But yeah, let's finish cleaning.
I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Alright guys, the next part of my morning routine is to go ahead and just get the dishes in the kitchen tidied up. So I wanted to just share this dishwasher tip with you. Go ahead and put your forks with the forks, the spoons with the spoons, and knives with the knives, etc. It makes it so much easier when you are unloading your dishwasher. But I hope that you're getting some homemaking and cleaning motivation from this video so far. If you are, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. But I just also wanted to pop on here and say that I hope that this video can help you to inspire you to create your own morning routine. I think that routines and structure is so good for us, especially as busy mamas. So I would also love to know, let me know in the comments how old your kiddos are. Mine are 4 and 2, and so we need that structure. And I will be honest, I am a lot more productive in my morning routine compared to my evening routine. So maybe you are more productive in the evening, and that's totally okay. Maybe you're not a morning person and can't get up at between 5 and 6 a.m. That is okay. Find a routine that works for you. This is what works for me, and I honestly need my morning routine. It sets me up for such a successful and productive day.
Floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
So if you're wondering, my girls are usually really good at playing together or playing independently first thing in the morning during this time. So this is when I just make our bed and do like those everyday household tasks. And then after doing that, I like to go around the house and just open all the blinds and let the sun in. It just makes me so happy watching the sun shine through the windows. And then I go ahead and brush my teeth. And then usually it's around 10 a.m. and this is where I play independently one-on-one with the girls. This is when we will run outside. We'll run some errands if we have any errands to run. I'll take the girls for a walk. We'll go play at the park. This is usually the time that we are outside, and if it is too cold for whatever reason, or I'm feeling tired and just not really wanting to bundle up and go through the hassle of getting out of the house with the girls, then we will do some indoor activities. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but it was so windy this day, so I was rushing to get Adeline in the stroller here. I feel like this clip just makes me chuckle, but anyway, so I was trying to get her turned around in the stroller so the wind wasn't blasting her face. All right, so I'm gonna end my morning routine here as we head out on our walk. I hope that you guys enjoyed this routine video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. Now I'm gonna get to enjoy some time with my kiddos. Bye.
Tonight we're running on the right track.